Hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I am David.
And I am Alice. We are so happy you are here today. How are you, David?
I'm doing great, Alice. I am very happy because today we are talking about something fun.
Oh, what is it? Is it about food? I know you love food, David.
Actually, I was thinking about friends. Today, we are going to practice casual conversations with friends.
That is perfect. Making friends is the best part of learning English, but sometimes it is hard to know what to say.
Exactly. You know what? It doesn't have to be difficult. You just need simple sentences and a little bit of confidence.
Yes. Before we start our practice, we have a small favor. If you like learning with us, please click the like button.
And subscribe. It helps our English family grow. Okay, Alice, imagine we are at a cafe. Let's start. Before, when you see a friend, you don't always say, "Good morning, how are you today?" That is a bit formal.
True. That sounds like a textbook. With friends, we say, "How's it going?"
How's it going? That is a classic. Let's repeat that slowly for everyone. How's it going? How's it going?
And the answer is easy. You can say, "Good, thanks," or "Not bad."
To be honest, I usually say not bad even when I'm great. It just feels very natural. Not bad.
Another one is "What's up?" But wait, David, beginners often think "What's up?" means "What are you doing high in the air?"
No. What's up just means what is happening in your life. Usually, we answer with not much.
Let's practice that. What's up? Not much.
Now, imagine you want to do something with your friend. You want to see a movie or get coffee.
I always want coffee. So I might ask, "Are you free this weekend?"
Are you free? That means, do you have time? Let's repeat. Are you free this weekend?
If you are busy, you say, "Sorry, I'm busy." But if you have time, you say, "Yeah, why?"
Then you give an idea. Do you want to go to the park or do you want to grab a coffee?
Oh, grab a coffee. That is a very friend way to speak. It just means go and drink coffee.
Exactly. Let's practice. Do you want to grab a coffee? Do you want to grab a coffee?
David, are you free this weekend? Do you want to grab a coffee?
Actually, I was thinking maybe we can grab a pizza instead.
See, I told you, David always thinks about food.
To be a good friend, you need to ask questions. You need to show interest.
Yes, a great question is, what have you been up to lately?
Ooh, that one is a bit longer. Let's break it down. What have you been up to lately? It means, what did you do in the last few days? Let's repeat it slowly. What have you been up to lately? I've been working a lot, or I've been watching a new show.
To be honest, I've been watching a new show on Netflix. It's about a girl who can talk to animals. It's very cute.
That sounds like a show you would like, Alice. Before, another question is, seen any good movies lately?
Seen any? Notice we don't say, "Have you seen?" every time. We make it short. Seen any good movies lately?
I saw a movie about a space robot last night. It was okay. Not great, just okay. Sometimes there's a silence. You don't know what to say, so we talk about the weather.
Yes, British people love talking about the weather. Nice day, isn't it?
Isn't it? We call this a question tag. It's like saying, do you agree? Nice day, isn't it?
Or if it is raining, and it often rains in England, we say, "Typical weather, right?"
Typical weather. That means it is raining again as usual. Before, Let's repeat. Typical weather, right? Do you like the rain, Alice? Actually, I was thinking I like the rain when I'm inside with a book, but I hate the rain when I'm walking to the bus.
Me too. I hate getting my shoes wet.
Before, friends give each other compliments. It makes people feel good.
True. I love your shirt, David. Is it new?
Oh, thank you, Alice. Yes, I bought it yesterday. Before, to say this, you can say, I love your, or that's a nice.
Let's practice. I love your shirt. That's a nice bag.
And the answer is always, thanks, that's so kind of you.
Or if it was cheap, we often say, thanks, it was a bargain. A bargain means it was very cheap.
Alice, everything you buy is a bargain. You are the queen of sales.
All good things must come to an end, even coffee with friends.
Ah, yes. When you need to leave, you can say, I should probably get going.
I should probably get going. This is a polite way to say, I need to leave now. Let's repeat. I should probably get going.
And then you say, it was great seeing you.
It was great seeing you. Let's repeat. It was great seeing you.
And the other person says, you too. Let's do this again soon.
You too. Let's do this again. That means let's meet again. Or, very casually, catch you later.
Catch you later. I love that one. Catch you later.
Now it is time for our favorite part, the shadowing section.
We have 20 sentences from our conversation today. We will speak slowly. Please repeat after us.
How's it going, Alice?
Not bad, thanks. And you?
What's up? Not much, just working.
Are you free for a coffee later?
I'd love to, but I'm a bit busy.
What have you been up to lately?
I've been watching a great new show.
Nice day, isn't it?
Yeah, finally some sunshine.
I love your new shoes, David.
Thanks, they were a bargain.
Do you want to grab pizza tonight?
That sounds like a great idea.
Seen any good movies recently?
I saw a funny comedy last night.
I should probably get going now.
No problem. It was great seeing you.
You too. Take care.
Let's catch up again next week.
Catch you later. Bye.
Phew. Alice, that was a lot of speaking. How do you feel?
I feel great. Practice makes progress. To our listeners, you did an amazing job today.
Yes. Actually, I was thinking the best way to use these phrases is to try them, even if you just say, how's it going, to a mirror.
Yes, or write it to us in the comments. We love hearing from you.
Thank you for spending your time with us. It means a lot. Before we go, tell us in the comments, what is your favorite thing to do with friends?
Do you go to the cinema? Do you play sports? Tell us. And remember to click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this lesson.
I am David.
And I am Alice.
Have a beautiful day with your friends. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. See you soon.